my pleasure to stand before you today and speak about one of the greatest scientists of our time, Sir C.V. Raman. Sir C.V. Raman was born on November 7, 1888 in Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu, India. From an early age, he displayed an immense interest in science, which led him to pursue a degree in physics. He went on to earn his doctorate from the University of Calcutta in 1917, where he studied the scattering of light. In 1928, Sir C.V. Raman made a groundbreaking discovery which would earn him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. He discovered the phenomenon of scattering of light, which is now known as the Raman effect. He observed that when light passes through a transparent medium, such as a glass or a liquid, the light waves scatters and changes their wavelength. This change in wavelength is known as the Raman effect. This discovery had a profound impact on the scientific community, and it opened up new avenues for research in the field of physics. It also had practical applications such as in the analysis of chemical substances, and it led to the development of the Raman spectroscopy technique. Sir C.V. Raman was not only a great scientist, but he was also a great teacher and mentor. He served as the director of the Indian Institute of Science in Bangalore, where he established a research culture that continues to this day. In addition to his Nobel Prize, Sir C.V. Raman received numerous other accolades throughout his career, including the British Knighthood in 1928 and the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award, in 1954. Sir C.V. Raman's contributions to science and his dedication to teaching and research continue to inspire generations of scientists and researchers around the world. His legacy serves as a reminder of the power of scientific inquiry and the importance of nurturing young talent. In conclusion, I believe that Sir C.V. Raman's life and work embody the very essence of what it means to be a great scientist. He had a passion for discovery and a commitment to excellence that continues to inspire us all today. Let us all take a moment to reflect on his contributions and strive to carry his legacy forward.